Hello there, how are you doing? In this video we're going to make this plate generator in Houdini. As you can see, there's not that many nodes in here, and if you look here, we can actually control the plate. We can shape it however we like. So we start off by adding a line, and we make the direction 1 to the x-axis. This is x, this is y. Now this step, I'm adding a resample. It actually can be bypassed. You can add point from here. I can show you. Just increase the point here. But I have a resample, so I have more control. You can do it either way. You can actually also do it in the new triangular attribute triangle. Now this is the bulk of this tutorial with the attribute triangle. I have an attribute triangle. There's not much going on. Let me show you. So what is going on basically? I have a vector. This is a variable that I call pbox, and I'm using a function called relative point pbox, which is giving us the pbox relative to point. And so I have the point inputted and 0, so I can have the first input, and I have the ramp second line. It's using a function called shramp and the name called ramp y, and I'm using the pbox, but I'm only using the x of that. So it's a vector, it has x, y, and z. I'm only using the x here. So the third line, I'm just adding this ramp to the point. Not only that, I'm also multiplying it by a scalar, so I can control how much I can add to the point. So for example, scalar can push the line further, as you can see. Now I have a node called revolve, which is basically revolving the line to create the shape, and I'm extruding. I have the back outputted. I have this setting here, and I'm fusing so I can remove any extra point, unneeded point, and I'm subdividing to get the final shape. This is doing nothing here, and this is only to scale it down. So basically there's only 6 nodes in here. You see, it's actually quite easy, and Houdini is not that hard sometimes. Sometimes it's super easy. And I really love it. Like, you can get a lot done with just few nodes. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will put the file in the first comment, but I need some time to upload it. So don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.